Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. Well, today I am sharing very useful video for those students who want to get 8 band in IELTS writing, 7 band in IELTS writing, and they are facing difficulties and they are having a lot of confusions in their mind. Like as many students think that they should write very impressive, complex and difficult type of sentences. Some keep focusing on improving their vocabulary and learning very hard and tough words. Some give stress on complex sentences, how to use complex sentences, passive voice. So many, things are being done by the students to get 7 or 8 band. But this writing that I'm going to share with you is written by any student, and the examiner has given that student 8 band. And when I read that essay writing, and I found that the student has used very simple sentences, not very hi-fi difficult words. Even a student of average English can write this kind of essay. If you are watching this video, I assure you that you can also write essay with the same kind of style and sentence formation. And if this student has got 8 band, you can also get 8 band. And here there is also examiner's comment. It is very important. I will also read it for you and explain you that why examiner has given this student 8 band. So are you interested in watching this and learning how to get 8 band? So watch this video from beginning to end. First of all, let us know what was the writing task. What was the writing task 2? So let me show you. So this is the writing task 2. Some people think it's better. It's better mean it is better to choose friends who always have the same opinion as them. Some people think it's better to choose friends who always have the same opinions as them. Other people believe it's good to have friends who sometimes disagree with them. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. So there are two views. Both views are opposite. Some first view say that we should have friendship with those who have same opinion like us. जिनके ओपिनियन आपसे मिलती जुलती है, हमें ऐसे फ्रेंड्स बनाने चाहिए, वो अच्छे होते हैं. अदर पीपल बिलीव दैट कि हमें ऐसे फ्रेंड भी लेने चाहिए जिनकी ओपिनियन हमसे मिलती नहीं है, वो डिसएग्री विद अस. सो ऑपोजिट व्यूज, कंट्रास्ट, टू ओपिनियंस आर देयर. इट्स ओपिनियन बेस्ड ऐसे. सो हैविंग फ्रेंडशिप विद similar opinion based friends, or having friendship with those who are sometimes having opposite views to us, and then own opinion. So let's see the answer that a student has written and who got 8 band. So first, this is introduction written, very small introduction, only one sentence. Some of the people believe that friends with exactly same opinions on different topics are better than ones that can argue with them. Okay, so one sentence, paraphrasing is done. Simply the writer said that some people believe that having friendship with those who having different opinions on certain topics are better than those who have different opinions, or those who can argue with them. So in this sentence, he has not written any difficult word. Argue is a very common word that is used. Then the comparative sentence has been used here. He has used then to make the comparison of opposite views. After that, this is introduction. The examiner will be clear now that what the actual task is about. On the one hand, starting phrase has been used. On the one hand, having similar interest on hobbies is a reason to start a friendship. A very beautiful line. Simply, if you have same hobbies or same interests So it becomes a solid reason for friendship. In this case, people always have something to discuss. When you have same interests, same hobbies, then you can discuss these things with the people who can be your friends, expected friends. If your friend has the same view of a particular problem as you do, he can help you to find a solution faster. So, what is the benefit? What is the benefit of having a friendship with a person who has same thinking like us? The benefit is that he can help us to find a solution. If we are in any problem, we can easily get the solution much faster. Such friend will always support you and take your side in any argument. Okay, he will always support you, remain with you. He will be there for you in any situation. So whole paragraph is this, and there is no any tough, any hard word used, and also he has not used any template. Many students always running after the templates, ready-made sentences. They use ready-made sentences and they make their essay meaningless. On the other hand, now the opposite view. This view is about those who say that friendship with those people who have opposite opinion or different opinion or arguments. Having equal opinions with your friend is sometimes boring. Okay, so if you have some ideas, your friend also have same ideas, always you both have same ideas, so this kind of friendship is boring. You always agree on every issue with each other and have no discussion or argument. If your friend disagrees, conditional sentence, if your friend disagrees with you, you can discuss both views, reach a compromise, and come up with a suitable solution. But strong disagreement can often lead to a heated argument or even ruin your friendship. So he has also mentioned that if there is a bitter debates, bitter discussions, arguments, so friendship can spoil. But otherwise, it will help you to get the other side of the view. We always have only one perspective, but that perspective is not always correct. If you want to know other views and other angle of the same subject or topic in discussion, then it's better that you should discuss with that person who is opposite to you. It enhances your knowledge as well. Now the third is, this one is writer's own opinion. So both opinions are discussed, one hand, other hand, now the writer's opinion. Friends should not agree on everything they are talking about. It's not necessary that friends should always, they have to show agreement. I think that this kind of friendship is boring and it is not likely to last for a long. And boring friendships does not continue for a long time. However, after that the comma is used. However means now the writer is giving opposite view. A friend with the same opinion as yours will definitely support your point of view in any discussion. Okay, so but the benefit is that if your friend is having a same view like you, he will support you in difficult situations. Like if you are in school and something wrong has happened and someone is blaming you, but your friend will come to support you at that time who is having same view like you. So this is a wonderful thing. Such kind of friends who have same kind of opinion like you, they are great assets for you. Now the conclusion, the ending part. So this is BP1 view 1, this is BP2 opposite view, and this is your opinion. Okay, now conclusion, the sum up. I would like to say that it is good to have different views on some topics or problems, but you should be loyal to the opinion of your friend. What does it mean? Say that it is good to have different views on different problems and topics, but you should respect the opinion of your friend as well. Everyone should appreciate their friendship, and shouldn't let stupid arguments ruin it. So what we need to do, we need to save our friendship for the sake of winning the arguments and discussions. It's a stupid thing to spoil the friendship. Our long nurtured friendship should not be get defeated with stupid arguments just in order to win the argument. It is well said that you can win the argument, but you will lose the friends. So it's better to lose the argument and not to the friends. So essay is great essay written with this very simple way. Okay, even I think that the wording would be less than 250 words. I think so. Now, let's see the most important part. This is important, most important part of this video is what does the examiner think about this. The candidate has discussed both sides of the topic and provided his or own opinion in the final two paragraphs. This is the great thing, examiner's point of view, that this is good thing. Every part of the task has been clearly discussed. Ideas of each point of view are developed and supported. Whatever the ideas given in each paragraph, thesis statement, it has also supporting sentences and a further extension. The writing shows a logical organization and sequencing of ideas with the good use of cohesive devices. Like on the one hand, in this case, on the one hand, on the other hand, this kind of friendship, they are all linking words to connect the paragraphs and connect the ideas within paragraph. Paraphrasing is used sufficiently, means writer has used his own words, not he didn't copy the wording of a question sentence, and appropriate means suitably. The range of vocabulary includes some less common items and collocations. I support you, take your side in, but there are there for you, be there for you, reach a compromise, come up with. So all these vocab and collocations, they are very common, very simple. And then a writer hasn't used any kind of difficult words that students cram in IELTS institutes or from the videos. Nothing like this is therein. And there is also one error. There are only rare errors, you, your friend. Okay, so this is kind of very straight words used by, but they are minor things, can be ignored. There is a wide range of complex structures with very few errors, and whatever the complex sentences have been used, they are all linked with that, which, that, or which. However, not very complicated things are used. Grammatical range was good. Okay, and sophistication expected from. Okay, what he says that there are two cases of missing articles, like a and the, in some two examples were there, in instances were there which he missed. Over and all, both vocabulary and grammatical range can be further developed, the writer says. So little bit weakness is there on grammar part or vocabulary part. This is the examiner's personal opinion, but what I feel that this is the perfect recipe to get 8 or 8.5 band in IELTS writing. And if you do copy this style and write your own essays without copying ready-made lines or sentences and tough vocabulary, write simple, organize well, give direct ideas with the supporting ideas with examples. Even in this essay, he didn't give many examples, so there may be this weakness over there. But over and all, 8 band in writing, I think, is the great score, and it can be achieved with little efforts. So thank you for watching this video, and please tell me in description box, in comment box, that how did you feel about this video and how did you feel about this essay writing style. Thank you very much for watching this video.